Yeah.
What's up? My name is Henry DeWitt, and this is
Haley Weaver.
And today we're going over
a baby shrimp.
Baby shrimp. We actually got squid. These are quality facts, and I am here with the mayor of Factown, Haley Weaver. Everyone knows that octopi have 8 tentacles.
You're wrong. They have 8 arms.
So how many tentacles do they have? 8 arms. How many tentacles?
No tentacles.
Octopi have 0 tentacles. That's insane.
What's the difference between a tentacle and an arm?
Clearly, I have no idea.
Yep, clearly. So, a tentacle is much longer and the suction cups do not go up all the way.
These suction cups are at the distal end. That is crazy.
This is a tentacle. Whereas these are arms, they're shorter, and they have the suction cups go all the way up.
Thank you so much for that fact. Now, most of the squid is inside. We have out here, we have what's called a mantle, right? But something great about a squid is how they swim. What they use is the siphon, is that right? Siphon. They suck up the water into the mantle, they squeeze it out of the siphon, and that propels them forward. Something like this. Something like that. And that allows them to propel in such an amazing way that they move and they can find food and catch it with tentacles. I didn't even know squids moved. I thought they were in the ground.
Is this glass?
That looks like glass.
Looks like glass.
Someone must have put that in to preserve it.
I don't think so. That is actually chitin.
That is chitin?
Yes, the structure, it goes along this entire thing right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then it allows for structure and protection.
Gives
possibly.
them structure.
Who else has chitin?
Chitin? Mushrooms. That's the only thing I know that has chitin.
Yeah, fungi. And so that's how animals and fungi connect.
No way. Everyone knows that fungi and animals are both eukaryotes, meaning they have a nucleus. I thought that's where the similarities ended. Apparently not. Phenomenal. What is that called? That is called the pen or the gladius. It's called the pen, and you can actually, squids don't do this, but you can actually write with it. Haley did something crazy, right? Haley used the ink sac,
which is right here.
Look at that ink sac.
We use the ink, but it's right there.
Haley dipped the ink sac and wrote squid. We are covered in ink today as well as the squid.
Do you think they have a cecum?
Cecum? No, that seems like a horse thing.
Oh, they do.
No way. No way.
If we open it up here, this is the ovary, so we know this is a girl, and then this is the cecum.
Wow. I also heard that this ovary is extraordinarily gelatinous, and that's due to the nidamental glands that are on the side here, right above the gills. That is what that structure is called. That is a gill. That is awesome, and it will only get cooler. Those, I have no idea.
Those are hearts.
They have 2 hearts?
No, they have 3 hearts.
What? How do we differentiate between them? Wow.
2 hearts above the gills that are branchial hearts, and then they have a heart right here, which is the systemic heart.
That is the coolest thing I've ever heard.
How do you think they move their head?
They moved their head? I didn't even know they moved.
Yeah, they got 2 muscles.
No way. Those are muscles?
Yeah, they were in the ground.
That's awesome.
No, these are 2 muscles.
I thought squids were plants.
No. These are called retractor muscles.
No way.
So they pull like this, and that's how it...
This day is getting cooler by the second. Squids are cephalopods, which means that their feet are their head. I think that's what it means. They have 10 tentacles, so they are decapodiforms, right? Decapodiforms as opposed to octopi, which are octopodiforms. What that means, that's a super order of the subclass Coleoidea. Cephalopods are extraordinarily diverse. That's why we love them, and that's why they're so successful today. We have come to the end of our facts. What a day of facts. I am learning so much every day that I'm in here, and it is not because of me. I was not born with this knowledge. This morning, I thought squids were plants. Now I'm learning that they move. That is phenomenal. That is due to Dr. Klinger, who knows everything about every animal. that is due to all my phenomenal lab groups, right? Haley absolutely killed it on the squid. She is very knowledgeable about the squid, as we've seen. Marky cut the whole entire squid. She is great at cutting. She did not get enough love last video. I absolutely fleeced her with the love. Megan is filming these great videos. She actually sent a dissection guide. She was telling us what to do. Fact of the day. Our favorite person ever, genuinely favorite person ever, Dr. Malready. His favorite grocery store is not Menards, like we thought it was. His favorite grocery store is the West Side Dillon's in Manhattan, Kansas. He loves that grocery store. But if he's getting lamb meat, he's going to Aldi. That's what we learned. We learned everything about Dr. Malready. Dr. Malready's the greatest. We love our whole class. We love everyone. It's all love from over here. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for next time. We got more shark facts. A great fact about squids. The animal kingdom is so large, so diverse, but squids have the longest axons in the animal kingdom. But vertebrates have axons that are myelinated to allow for the electricity to move faster. Squids don't do that. They have thicker axons so that the larger circumference allows the electricity to move faster. That is so cool.
Squids also communicate by color.
No way. They can change color faster than that of a chameleon. That is so cool. Imagine this changing color and talking. I wish I could talk through changing color.
Another fun fact, the ink has melanin in it.
Ink is melanin. Wow.
All right.